go with it yet. Mumble, mumble. Mumble, mumble. Almost filled it up. Bobby, don't. Bobby, please. Then I won't have that again.
Run! Run! Run!
I was running before those guys.
Yep.
A baby.
Yep. Baby puppy, hey?
Baby puppy. Baby. Puppy. Puppy.
Every direction there's puppies.
Puppy. Puppy. Puppy.
These are two phantoms out of this litter. Presley is the boy right there with the big eyebrows. And a little girl puppy that we're keeping. He's checking out the pine trees. There's the dark brown girl. She's so brown you almost think she's black.
Mom, look at that.
Yep, right to the top.
You I have to get some more.
And here's a little brown boy.
Puppy. Puppy.